In this video, I'll show you how to buy V-Bucks using Steam Wallet. While you can't directly buy V-Bucks using Steam Wallet funds, there's a creative workaround to make it happen, and here's how you can do it. Use your Steam Wallet funds to purchase a gift card from a platform that supports Fortnite. You'll need to buy this as a redeemable code for the Steam Marketplace if such an option is available. Redeem your purchased gift card on the respective platform. For example, if you bought an Xbox gift card, redeem it on your Xbox account. Just launch Fortnite now on the platform and use the newly added balance to purchase V-Bucks through the Fortnite's in-game store. Though it's a bit of a detour, this method will let you creatively convert your Steam Wallet funds into the V-Bucks. And thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.